Hi guys, this is an opportunity for you to purchase a dry land with C of O, situated at Monastery behind ShopRite, Sangotedo, Lagos. This land comes with a C of O, a dry land over 100 plots. You can go make your findings. About 6 months ago, this same land was sold for 6 million, 8 million, but right now the land is sold for 16 million. You can see how fast development is hitting that area. I don't think you want to miss this opportunity. 500 square meter per plot goes for 16 million naira. Why wait till it gets to 50 million naira a plot? And you'll be happy to be a landowner in a fast developing area. What else can I say? Guys, let's hop on this. Are you an individual, an investor, or a developer that is interested in acquiring some plots of land or a plot of land? Hit me up and let's have a deal. Why wait till this property appreciates? Or you want to purchase it when it's 100 million a plot? No, I know you don't want to miss this. Hit me up and let's have a deal. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.